Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to change your Facebook page category. The first thing you need to do is to simply click on Facebook right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile. Then you can simply scroll down. Next thing you need to do is to click on see more. Then you have to scroll down, navigate to category. So right here, I'm going to enter business. Then I will choose business service right here, business service. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on save. So successfully change. It's as simple as that. So this is how to change your Facebook page category without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.